This video is made by BubbleUp.
Hi there, Wade here. This is Valerie, and today we're going to teach you all of our little secrets for working effectively remotely and distraction-free.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Okay, first tip to an effective remote workspace, make your workspace your workspace, okay? So we have a couple things here. We have a one-bedroom apartment, 2 people work in it, we both take Zoom calls, we both need quiet sometimes, we need different places to work. We have multiple workspaces that we've created. So first thing is the desk in the middle of the room. Fantastic desk, we got it on Amazon. It's got the electric power, so you get the sit-down style, or you get the top style. Nice light, which kind of doubles as a ring light if you have a call as well. Yay! This is workspace number 2. We have this fantastic table that slides in and out from the couch. You can post up right here. It's fantastic for like when you're just like getting cozy and you have to write the long email, take the conference call, whatever you want to do. It's right here for you. Very effective. And number 3, because we take a lot of calls at the same time, we need separation. We need some quietness. So let's take it to the bedroom. In the bedroom, we have a second desk right here set up. We like to live kind of plain, so this is perfect for us. You can set up right here, bring your laptop. We have a nice little ring light that pops up right there. Take your call, be on your way. This is workspace number 3. Okay, number 2. This is an obvious one, but actually plan the workday, okay? We have a bit of a plan that we do. We're very routine oriented, and I think it's why we work so effectively remotely. So we wake up every morning early, and I go out to a gym. Val, you wake up, and what do you do?
I enjoy the morning without him.
So she gets quiet time at home. Then we get into a breakfast mode. So like we switch off with like showers and someone starts breakfast. Then when the other person gets out of the shower, we switch. We figure out our meeting schedules because that's where we might potentially step on each other during the day. And then once we have that, we just kind of break out and go. Number 3 is to embrace distractions. So here's one thing that happens. After lunch, like everybody else in the world, we get tired too. You start to feel that lull. It starts to get difficult to keep moving forward, right? Well, instead of avoiding distractions, just embrace it. So we'll take 5 and 10 minute breaks and we do a bunch of little things. Here's a bit of a montage of things we'll do for 5 or 10 minutes to get us through the distraction.
Let's find out the second customer. Checkmate!
No, come on! Yeah! Go on!
You broke the... Oh my god, you broke the tree!
Bonnie, sorry. We have a casualty on set. One plant was injured making this film. And then we get through it, and that's what we do. And 10 minutes later, we have refresh energy. It's time to get back to work and keep doing those final hours of the day.
Let's go!
Okay, tip number 4, know where all your work is. I'm gonna show you how I organize my work, all right? I'm pretty good about this. Okay, so on my Mac, you're seeing the screen right here. I love the screens feature of Mac. It's how I organize everything. This is like my home base for work, all right? The first screen you see is my BubbleUp feed, okay? So I create a separate browser for BubbleUp. I have my go-to folders right here, and then my current project folder. So right now we're in Life Hacks. I'm making this video for you right here. It's gonna be episode 3. So I'd create a new folder and then put in this raw as soon as I'm done recording. So that's the first screen. After that, I have this is like my Chrome tabs city, okay? All the crazy work, it all goes in here. Chrome tabs, just, there's no rhyme or reason, but it all sits in one disorganized, one screen spot, okay? The other thing I have is an email screen right there, so I can get to my email. Then I have my Slack conversations, which happen while I'm working. And then lastly, I have my calendar. This is it. This is how it works for me. I use these screens to separate spots in work. I also create the do not disturb feature. I turn that on with my computer because I don't like the messages coming in and throwing me off. I tend to get into a zone and I stay in that zone, right? And the way that I do that personally is to not see all the applications at the same time, not see notifications. A lot of times I take my phone, I turn it upside down, I put it there, it's on silent mode because I'm working, right? Things like that. Or I'll even hide it Or I'll even take it and I'll put it behind my laptop like this, right? I'll take it and I'll put it behind my laptop as well so that you don't really see it. Out of sight, out of mind. Let's get to work. This is how it works for me. I'd be curious to know how it works for you. So in the comments below, feel free to let me know, what do you do to set up your screens to be more productive? And with that, let's get to number 5. Find what works best for you. Okay, we have 11 years combined experience here. We know how to work effectively remotely. So I'm gonna talk about some of the things that we like to do, all right? One thing is, a lot of times in here, it'll be dead silent. We'll use headphones. I got my AirPods, Val loves these big Bose ones, and we're just sitting next to each other, but it's completely quiet. Works out great. Other things, I tend to like walk around a lot and talk to myself when I'm like trying to put something together. So oftentimes I'll be in the bedroom and basically I'll just be like talking to myself out loud and pacing, but for some reason this organizes my thoughts. I'm a fidgeter when I'm paying attention. So a lot of times I'm fidgeting with something or like I'm tidying up with my headphones in, and it has nothing to do with the tidying up. It has to do with I'm giving my brain something to do while I'm focusing on a conversation. So I know that's one thing that works for me. It might work for you. Val, do you have anything that works for you? Val, I know one thing you do. You take notes with paper. Val has like colored construction paper that she breaks her notes down and like organizes it by colors. I think it's awesome. So you still go old school with paper.
Yeah, I like that I can throw them away when I don't need them.
You get the crumple and
Yeah.
throw away.
Yeah.
All right, and that is 5 ways to have an effective remote lifestyle. I think we do a pretty good job with ours.
Yep.
Awesome. In the comments below, is there anything that helps you that is a way to get around distraction or be an effective remote worker? Let us know down below. Be sure to like and subscribe if you're into these productivity and creativity hack videos. Bubble Up's channel is all about providing those for you, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!